What's up, guys? Daniel Ndukwu here, and once again, I'm back at it like a crack addict. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start making money online within 10 minutes. In fact, it shouldn't even take up to 10 minutes. All you have to do is register and you'll be making money. I make videos multiple times a week on this exact topic, different strategies and tactics to make money online. So definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to increase your income. And some of them are just a few bucks and some of them can be life-changing income. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and I will see you in my next videos. Now, in order to start making money online within the next 10 minutes, go to www. Alright, so I'm going to jump on over to the computer and I'm going to walk you through all the steps you need to start making money online today and start withdrawing money tomorrow. So this website is called rapidworkers.com. It's a really simple website that you're able to perform simple tasks and receive money immediately for those tasks. Now, you can register as an employer if you need simple tasks done, or you can register as a worker and you'll be able to make money from doing various tasks like signing up for websites, taking surveys, etc. Now, this is what we call a micro job site, and it's one of the fastest ways to start earning a relatively small amount of income every day. If you do it consistently, you can earn $5, $10, $15 an hour, and really depends on you how much extra time you have. And although this won't replace your full-time income, it can be a really cool supplement. You can have more money for drinks, you can have money to go out, it can help you make up for that cool electronic that you wanted, whatever the case may be. It's a really great way to supplement your income and start earning a bit of money on the side and really jump into the world of making money online. So once you get to rapidworkers.com, what you want to do is, obviously, you want to sign up as a new member. All you have to do is put your name, your email, and a password, and your country. And the reason they ask for your country is because they'll give you relevant jobs based on where you are. Some jobs are tied to a specific country, whereas some jobs can be done from anywhere in the world. In fact, most of the jobs I've seen can be done from anywhere in the world. Now, there are a couple rules, as in you can't use a VPN, you can't make multiple accounts, and you can't do other jobs from other countries. So you need to watch out for those. Or watch out for things of that nature so that you don't get your account banned. And it would be very unfortunate to start working and make some money, have some money on your balance, and then get your account banned. Nobody wants that. So just make sure you follow the rules, guys, until you're really familiar with the system. And then from there, you can do as you choose. You know, if you want to take a risk, then that is your choice. But I wouldn't recommend doing that in the very beginning until you really understand how the system works. So once you sign up, you'll see a list of all the jobs out here. And as you can see, the jobs are pretty small, or they don't pay that much, but that's actually not a problem because there are so many jobs to choose from and they only take a few minutes. Like this one here is 1 minute for 30 cents. This one is 3 minutes for $2.20. But now it might seem like a little bit, but once you add up the potential, right? So let's say you have a couple 3-minute jobs and they pay an average of 50 cents. So there are 23-minute segments in an hour, and then 50 cents. That would be $10 in an hour if you go hard. But the thing is that you probably won't be able to sit down all at once and do all those jobs at once. So what you want to do is you want to spread this out throughout the day, right? So you want to come on here maybe in the morning before you go to work or before you get started on your day. Probably do like 5 or 10 jobs, like 30 minutes, right? And then after you do those 5 or 10 jobs, maybe in the afternoon, you do another 5 or 10 jobs. And in the evening, you do another 5 or 10 jobs, or whatever the case may be. Right? So throughout the day, you've earned about $20 extra from just clicking a few buttons and helping the company do 1 or 2 things that they need to get done. So let me explain how this works a bit. So here's the name of the job, and then here's the country that's located. So if you're not in that country, then you should not take that job. So if you're from outside of the US, you're going to want to look at mostly international jobs, and there are a lot of them. So don't think that just because you're not in US, you'll be limited on the platform. So it also shows the payment, how much you're being paid for the individual job and the estimated time that it takes. So you can sort by how much you want to get paid. Like, okay, let's see, $10. There's a single $10 job right now, right? But let's go for $1.40. There's a single $1.40 job. 59 cents. Let's do 17 cents, right? Let's do 75 cents. Okay, there are 2 jobs for 75 cents. So you can continue to sort the jobs like this and find the ones that will maximize your time and your return on investment. But you also need to watch out for this part here, how much or which countries it actually works in. And then the time, so you can estimate how much time it takes and how much time you have. And then the status. The status is green and red. So if you see that it's red, that means it's already done. So this is the number of tests that they want people to take. So this one is 7 out of 8 already, and this one has 0 takers out of 6. So if you don't want to filter it anymore, let's click payment. It'll show you everything. And you can also do the estimated time. Okay, let's see how much something that takes 2 hours will pay. 20 cents. They're crazy. No one's going to take them up on that offer, right? So you want to play around with the platform to optimize your options, right? So maybe you want to start at the top, see how many $10 jobs there are, see how many $2 jobs there are, see how many $3 jobs there are, see how many 50-cent jobs there are, and then maximize your time by going after those ones first, and then going down to the cheaper jobs. So after about 30 minutes on the platform, you may have made like $10, $15. So as you can see here, if you want to withdraw, you just click on the withdraw option, and they only do PayPal. Don't message us for something else. So when you're signing up for the platform, make sure you have PayPal or you can access a PayPal account. And they do charge a bit of fees when you want to withdraw. And there's a minimum withdrawal of $8, and you'll get that money within 24 to 48 hours. Now, again, this isn't a life-changing amount of income, but it will give you spending cash after a full week or 2 weeks. That's a couple $100. Now, I don't know about you, but a couple $100 is really nice, especially in the hard times that we're seeing right now. So go ahead and sign up for the platform, check it out, and start doing jobs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be coming out with these videos that give you ways to make a little bit of income as well as massive amounts of income. You should also check out our affiliate marketing case study. I'm walking you step by step through the process of starting an affiliate marketing site from scratch and making $10, $20, $30, $100,000 a year or even a month. So make sure you check that out, and I'll see you in the next video. You're going to love this one.